To access the Discord store, scroll up and click on the Discord logo, which is home, then click on store. Now here in the store, whenever you hover over games, you can see an animation of the gameplay. So we're going to check out Minion Masters, which is a free game on the Discord store. It is a first on Discord game, which means that it launched first on Discord. Here you can see the people that have installed the game. You can see the game's description, and you can join the game's Discord server. You can see the software requirements for the game right here, and the rating for the game. You can see the game's features to the right side panel. Below the install button, you can see the genres, the publisher, the creator, and the release date. When you install the game, Discord will redirect you to the game library, and will show you the network speed and disk speed while installing, in a really smooth graph. After installing, the game will appear in the library section, where all of your games are shown. You can press play game to play the game. When you right click on the game, you can play the game, repair the game, uninstall the game. You can hide your playing status for the game, disable in-game overlay for the game, view the game in store, show the place where the game is installed, create a desktop shortcut for the game, and copy the game's application ID, branch ID, and SKU ID. When you uninstall the game, it will ask you if you want to actually uninstall or not, and it will uninstall the game files, but it will keep the game in your library. You can also search up games by typing a game in the search bar in the top right corner, and selecting the game you want. You can also buy games in the store, and if there is a deal, it will say the percentage next to the price. When you press buy, it will ask for your credit card information or your PayPal. You also get games from getting Discord Nitro by clicking on Nitro Games, which is next to featured games. You need to get the $9.99 Discord Nitro to get these games. By going to User Settings, Game Library, press Add an install location to add a second location to install your games, and select the drive and folder you want to install your games to, and click on Select Folder. You can set this as your default game location. Press Save to save. Also, you can set a custom name for this install location. In this section, you can make Discord import all of your games in the library. You can make Discord create a desktop shortcut for games you installed from the store. And you can allow Discord to create a start menu shortcut for games that you have installed from the store. After you're done, press escape. When you install a game, you have a choice between the locations that you have set, and you can also use a different location which you have not set. Subscribe, like, and share. Bye!